How's it going, guys? My name is Jaydon. Today, 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 I'm gonna be showing you how to do a paper pistol without tape or scissors, just like this one. So, hands up. Anyways, all you need are two pieces of paper. That's all you need. First up, just twist it like small, really small, like this. See? It's this small, really easy. Can you see it? This small. See it? Okay. Now, do that in the same size. Fold it again. Now again. Now again. Now again. Basically till you reach the end. Okay, now that that is done, you must have this. Fold it in half. So you have this, the small size. Basically the size of my arm. And just lay it by the side. Second, you're gonna make a little bit bigger one. About this big, look. Wait just a second. Come on. This big. Sorry, this is the camera. Alright. Now just do it over and over again, just like you did the first time. Anyways, fold it too. And here's the tricky part, but I'm trying to keep it simple for you. Grab the small one, the thin one, and see, it's like that. This is the fat one, this is the thin one. Let the fat one, like this, let the fat one come here of the thin one. See it like that, see it like that. Oh wait, make a cross, and this side where there's a closing, get it a little bit out, a little bit. Open where there's the closing, open the hole with your thumb or whatever. Just open the hole. Ouch. And see, now it's like that. Yeah, you're gonna grab here, this one apart, twist it like that. So you're basically gonna have this. See it? From the inside, not the outside. And this part here, where you did from the outside, You're gonna get it in here. I'm bored. Can't believe I'm bored. I'm making a turtle and I'm bored. Do you get it, guys? Because I don't. Leave it in the comments if you get it. Leave it. Leave it. Come on. Oh, come on! Sorry, this may take a little bit of time, but I'll... Okay, got it. Got it. Definitely got it. You'll have this. See? It was here. It was here. I twisted it like this and got it from the inside. Now it's like here. See it? It's from the inside. Okay, then you are gonna do the same with the other side, but not on the other side, the opposite side that of you did that. The same side where you did the other one. Like you're gonna double step. You know what double? No, you don't know what double step means. You're gonna. I'm sorry for this. What kind of tricky? You need to fold it a lot, so it's kind of tricky. Oh yeah, I did it on the. Oh, sorry, I did it on the wrong side. Oh my god, that was so stupid. So you're gonna do it. You're gonna do a double side. You're gonna do a double side. You're gonna have this, the one that you just did, do it exactly near the other one. Get it in. Then you'll have this. Just get it out a little, and there goes your pistol. Your paper pistol. It shoots, and it reloads. Look. Now you shall die. Now you shall die.